Lesson 35, Movement and Speed. English has a number of words that mean fast, but each one has different collocations. Use fast to describe a vehicle, person, or action. A fast car, a fast train, a fast runner, work fast, drive fast, learn fast. Use quick to describe an event or action. A quick lunch, a quick glance, a quick shower, a quick decision. Use rapid to describe a change. A rapid increase or decline, a rapid change, rapid growth, rapid progress. The word speedy is often used with recovery and resolution. A speedy recovery from surgery, a speedy resolution to the problem. The word swift is often used with action, response, and reaction. The swift action of the police enabled the criminal to be caught immediately. We received a swift response to our request for information. The word prompt means fast and punctual. It is often used with information and payment or customer service. For example, you can give a prompt reply to an email and receive prompt delivery of a product you ordered. The word hasty means fast and in a rush. He made a hasty exit from the party when he saw his ex-girlfriend walk in. This word often has the connotation of doing something without sufficient consideration. You might come to a hasty conclusion before considering all the evidence and make a hasty decision that you'll regret later. When you're driving, you need to pay attention to the speed limit, the maximum velocity permitted. If you're driving at breakneck speed, extremely fast, then you might need to slow down. If you get caught in a speed trap, where the police measure the velocity of passing cars, you might have to pay a speeding ticket, penalty for driving too fast. Of course, you might need to put on a burst of speed, sudden increase in speed, to pass a car that's moving at a snail's pace, very slowly. If major construction is being done on the road, then traffic might slow to a crawl, slow down to a very slow speed, and eventually come to a standstill, stop completely. To talk about changes in speed, we can say something is gaining speed or speeding up to describe moving faster, or losing speed or slowing down to describe moving slower. Finally, to talk about eating or walking in a slow and relaxed way, you can use the word leisurely. After a leisurely breakfast, we took a leisurely stroll through the park. Practice your pronunciation by listening and repeating the collocations from this lesson. A fast car, a fast train, a fast runner, work fast, drive fast, learn fast, a quick lunch, a quick glance, a quick shower, a quick decision, a rapid increase, a rapid decline, a rapid change, rapid growth, rapid progress, a speedy recovery, a speedy resolution, swift action, a swift response, a prompt reply, prompt delivery, a hasty exit, a hasty conclusion, A hasty decision. Speed limit. At breakneck speed. A speed trap. A speeding ticket. A burst of speed. Moving at a snail's pace. Slow to a crawl. Come to a standstill. Gaining speed. Speeding up. Losing speed. Slowing down. A leisurely breakfast. A leisurely stroll. Now take the quiz to practice the collocations about movement and speed.